Hey everyone! We're officially on the home stretch towards the city of Murray Bridge, but we couldn't resist one more quick pit stop. We're doing a short skip out of Meningie and pulling over at a spot that was just too good to pass up, right between two stunning pink lakes. I mean, look at that. The strawberry milkshake vibes were so strong we just had to get the drone up in the air. Seeing that vibrant pink pop against the landscape from above is a total game changer. If you've got a drone, this is definitely a stop the car moment. I'll put some drone photos at the end of this driving video, but for the actual drone footage, well, you have to take a gander at video 1001. As you see from the photos at the end, these pink pools are sitting close to the much larger Lake Albert, or Yali as it's known by its traditional owners. Now here's a bit of geographic head scratcher for you. Lake Albert is technically defined as a freshwater lake. It's part of a massive system fed by Lake Alexandria, which in turn is fed by the mighty Murray itself. But here's the catch. Don't go filling up your water tank from Lake Albert just yet, because the area is so shallow and the sun so bright and very buzzy. The high evaporation means the water is actually pretty salty. It's basically fresh water with a bit of salty personality. Anyway, we are now only about 75 kilometers away from Murray Bridge, so we are closing in on our next adventure.